Hello, I'm Jon Baker from Excedia Group. Have you ever suffered death by PowerPoint? You know, where your head's starting to droop and then just jerks alive while you're in the middle of a PowerPoint presentation. Or perhaps you've been really fed up with those whizzy skills and slides are absolutely jam-packed with words and you're trying desperately hard to read them, but you can't quite manage it before you start to drift off again. So here's a thought. If you have to use PowerPoint for your presentation, perhaps you've just got a 10-minute presentation to do at a networking event, or perhaps it's a short presentation to show off your skills to some clients. So if you have to, make sure that you remember this one thing. The presentation is about the meaning you add to what they know. It is not about the slides that you use. PowerPoint should help you do three things and three things only. It should help your audience to visualize a connection between your words and the pictures on the screen. It should help them to highlight the key points in their mind that you're making and perhaps to stimulate some extra thinking on their behalf. It's not about using as prompts so that you can remember what you're saying, and it's not about giving the slides that you used as handouts, because if you want to give handouts, put them on a Word document, not on a PowerPoint document. So a couple of thoughts about your PowerPoint slides, but go further. Don't just stand there and read the slide. Don't fill that slide with words, because if they could have read the words rather than attend your presentation, then you've got it wrong. Don't make it so complicated that you've got to use those builds so that one line appears at a time. And don't, whatever you do, put a diagram up there so complicated that you have to use a laser pointer. If you've got to start pointing out words or bits of the picture on your slide, it's too complicated. Stop. If you don't stop, you will be creating death by PowerPoint. So I'm Jon Baker with a couple of thoughts for you about how to use PowerPoint more easily.